In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Java to MySQL database in VSCode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using VSCode, you can follow the instructions in this video to connect your Java application. So this will require several steps, primarily involving the installation of necessary extensions and the JDBC driver. So to start, install these extensions. You can look for them individually, but I recommend downloading the extension pack. The crucial ones are going to be language support, debugger, Maven for Java, and finally the project manager. But this Java extension pack from Microsoft will also include two more here, Java Test Runner, Visual Studio, and Telecode. Either way, just look for them individually or look for the Java extension pack. They will provide all of the features that you need to do this. Next, add the MySQL JDBC driver. This is the API that allows Java to connect with a database. So you need the official MySQL connector/J driver. You can find it available on the website, so go to dev.mysql.com/downloads/connector/J. Now choose your particular operating system, select the OS version, and you will be able to have it downloaded. Once you have the driver downloaded and good to go, you must add the .jar file that you receive to your Java project's class path. So in VS Code, you can do this through the Java Projects panel at the left. Right-click your project, select Configure Class Path, and then Add Referenced Libraries. Browse to the location of the downloaded jar file and add it. This will ensure that your Java code can find the necessary driver classes to communicate with MySQL. Next comes the actual important part, writing your Java code. So with the extension and the driver in place, you can write the Java code to establish a connection. This will involve importing the package, defining the connection, providing the username and password, using a specific method to get a connection object, and then handling potential exceptions. So this is what a basic code snippet is going to look like. Of course, you will need to adjust some of these things in relation to your database and your username, password, but in general, this is how it's going to be handled. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.